Dear friends, hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. And in this video, I will show you how you can remove the gray circle or gray dot on your iPhone. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, dear friends. Be sure to give your like to this video and also write comments. So, dear friends, let's get started. And if you are in such a situation, when you notice that on the screen of your iPhone there is such a gray dot or gray circle, perhaps you got it by accident, you did not set it up yourself, or you were given an iPhone and you see this gray dot. What is it? What can you do with it? It's an extra button that's on the iPhone. And when you press this button, for example, once or twice, or whenever you press, you can select some function that it's responsible for. If you don't need it and you would like to remove such a button, open the settings. Then scroll through. Please select this option. Now please select Touch. And then at the top, please click on Assistive Touch and disable this option. And now you will be able to see that this gray dot on your iPhone no longer appears because it has been disabled. That's how quick and easy you can remove the gray circle or gray dot on your iPhone screen. I really hope the video has helped you. Don't forget, dear friends, please subscribe to the channel. Please write your comments and also make sure to put your like. See you, friends.